Hey guys, a little announcement. From today until further notice, I'm not going to make any more Topaz related videos and tutorials, especially when it comes to Topaz photo AI and video AI. And I will be removing all the affiliate links. So if you have any previous links, don't use them anymore. I'm trying to resolve the issue with the Topaz team regarding certain technical issues that I don't have the liberty to speak about it now, but I'm hoping that those issues will be resolved as soon as possible so that I can continue creating videos on Topaz products, especially when it comes to photo AI, which I use a lot, or at least I used to. And I actually really enjoy making comparison between the DxO denoise versus the Topaz denoise. Anyway, that's not the thing, but this is just a temporary, hoping that this issue will be resolved soon. But until then, I will be making all the Topaz videos on my channel as private and taking off all the affiliate links. So stay tuned, and I will come back to you with the new update as soon as possible. And take care of yourself. Happy weekend.